Yeah, bright sunset mga kachika. Ano na pala? 6:10 na.
Now you can put another piece of avocado on that. Yeah, well, I want to make sure it's running right first before I show it.
Yeah. Kaya ipapacheck niya muna. Kaso make me laugh. Dito lang muna ako. Kasi early. Ano pa lang. 3:09 mga kachika. Susundo na kami sa mga bata. Galing pala ako sa work. Give me kiss then.
Go on then. Oh.
Tapos, iyon. Magsusundo na nga kami sa mga bata. Mamaya pa kasi meron pang mga 15 minutes na lang. Yun na lang. Dito lang muna kami parking. Hirap talaga mag-parking dito. Saan-saan na lang mag-parking dito yung mga magsusundo sa mga bata nila. Mga anak nila. Galing pala ako sa work. Start ako ng 9:30. Natapos ako ng 2. Hindi na nga ako kumain kaya na bad trip ako. Di pa din naman akong gutom kasi may ano din naman ako kanina. Nag-crossan man ako kanina sa work. Yun na yung lunch ko. Mamaya baka sa ngayon nga hindi pa nga ako gutom. Kasi nga bad trip. Look at like that. Dali na.
Alicia, I love.
Lady in red. Yan pala yung church na yung nag-ano kami noong December mga kachika. Christmas party. Diyan yun. Christmas party. Filipino community. Christmas party. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, you take it up your coat first. Your shoes. I got hairbrush. You want a hairbrush? No, you're not done yet. There's more.
In my swimming lessons.
Yeah, the other one. The old swimming lessons. Ito yung mga bata. Nandoon talaga sa play area mga kachika. Katapos ng swimming lessons, 30-minute swimming lessons. Ngayon, play area na naman. Tagal. Bright sunset mga kachika. Ano na pala? 6:10 na. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Liwanag na talaga. I think next week mag-change na yung time. Sa Monday o sa Sunday yata. Mag-change yung time this week. Hindi pala next week. This week. Gawa ko ng California roll mga kachika. Pag ano na namin to? I think ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog na naggawa kami ng California roll ba. Pang 3 na namin tong gawa. Parang isa na to sa ano namin, menu for our dinner. Menu for our dinner. Add sa aming ano, dinner. Hindi kami mga professional pang gawa-gawa nito mga kachika. Kami lang din naman kumakain. Pero masarap talaga siya. Pero gamitan natin ito kay mainit.
Yeah. Oh. Tuna nigiri.
Tuna nigiri. Yan din yung ginagawa niya. Mas meron siya ditong miso soup. So yan yung dinner. It's really
Look at that.
what you call that? Japanese restaurant.
It's enough. It's enough. Look at that. Huh? Does that look good or what?
Beautiful tuna nigiri. Da.
Put plenty on though.
It's plenty in there.
Huh? Yeah, I'll put it on because you're too cheap.
I know. I'm the one who's doing. You wanna do it?
No,
I'll leave it for you.
No,
Okay.
carry on. No. He's too cheap. Now you can put another piece of avocado on that. See what I mean? Cheap.
No, cause it's too thick. Thick a lot of space.
I think you need more crab in there. Another crab on there. Okay. Tuck it in. Yeah, take the, wait a minute. Hang on.
I'll let you do it this. You think
No,
you
no,
can
no,
do
no, no.
better, then I'll let you do it.
No. I'll let you do it. You're the best. You're the professional. No. Carry on.
You keep nagging on me while I'm doing this, so I'll let you do it.
No. Carry on. Is this, do you use this for pork? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here, water.
No, I'll have to boil it. I have to do it properly.
Yeah, water.
No.
Water, boil.
Yes, I understand that.
That's why I said put water.
Very good. Excuse me, darling. My chicken liver.
There's don't have one.
Where'd you get that from?
Sainsbury. That's really what I'm looking for when you've been looking around each other. You look for me, I look for you. That's what I was looking. We went to the chicken. Yeah, sayote.
Got seed in it.
Yeah, seed.
Where's this from?
Ugat.
Africa?
Costa Rica.
Oh.
We used to we have that one also in the Philippines.
Yeah?
We plant it. We have a lot of that. We used to have.
What's it taste like? Similar to what?
I don't know what similar.
You eat it raw?
No, it's meant for soup, stir fry.
What is it, a root? Like that, a root.
Yeah,
Like that, a root.
you plant it like that. You plant it, it grows from there, like this, and then
Yeah,
you
but
plant it.
This
but
grows
it's,
across from the property.
it's like
Huh?
it's like
A melon.
melon, something like
It
that.
grows above ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nagtatanong talaga siya mga kachika kung ano yan kasi first time niya din makakita ng ganyan sayote. I don't think nakita niya yan doon nung nasa Pinas kami. Kasi sa Pinas nagugulay din ako noon sari-sari pero mix na yun siya eh. So hindi niya yata natandaan na nandoon pa kami. Natandaan na sayote. I think you had that, Daddy. Remember we used to eat that with, we used to make vegetables,
No.
stir fry.
There's a horrible cucumber thing. Bitter.
Oh, yeah. That's ampalaya, better melon.
Wait, how do you want this now? Like that?
Yeah, just cut like that.
Like that? Like that?
It's our food mga kachika. Bumili pa nga si Mr. na bagong wasabi kasi yung nabili namin last time ay naubos na, tinapon na namin. Ito. Nabili. Where did you buy this, Daddy? Sainsbury's? Sainsbury's.
I think it's too much.
Naglagay ako kaunti. Kaunti lang kaya masakit yung ulo ko pag
Where's the other
malamig.
one that goes with this? The wrong length. Can't use that one. There's another one like this, isn't there? I can't use that. It's too long go. Yeah, Jenny, take it.
Which one is your...
I'm going to put mine on there.
Yeah, okay.
Take that one. Wow. Look at that.
So na yun kay Mr. mga kachika. Yan yung kanyang food. Ako naman, yan niya din ako. Yan niya. Ayaw ko yung ganyan mga kachika. Ayaw ko yun. Hindi pwede na. Hindi tayo kumain ito. Hindi diri si Mr. sa ito ba? Ayaw niya yung pork. Kumakain siya. Tumitikim siya yung pag liver ng chicken. Pag pork ayaw niya. So ako lang talaga kakain ito. Ang dami pa naman. Tagal ko to ubos-ubos. Kakain talaga ako ay naglalaway ako. Sayote lang yung sinahog ko dito. Sibuyas. Bawang.
Oops.
Nilagyan ko ng, ano pa ba nilagay ko dito? Paminta, suka, toyo. Para medyo mawala yung lansa. Lagyan ko ng suka. Kain tayo mga kachika.
The next day.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, my beautiful. Gusto tingnan yung koko. Cutics pa. Good morning. It's late. Good morning, it's late. Uy, Uy. Badida. Badida. Dali na.
Why?
Can you go that way?
So, medium large. Like you're going to
Okay, tara.
large.
Small, medium, large. Uy! Okay? What's that?
Look, so at least. Stop.
Punta na ako sa work mga kachika. Hinano ko lang yung mga bata. Hinatid tapos, ayan, pinuntahan na lang ako ni Mr. Ina-drop niya ako. Last 9 na pala. Actually, dapat kayo na pa kami. Dumaan pa kasi ako sa post office. Kaya ngayon pa lang. Pupunta na din kami ako sa work. Ganun. Aga pa din. Pero naihi na ako. Yung sasakyan pala namin, yung bago ba na nabili ni Mr. Hindi pa talaga namin nagamit mga kachika kasi papatingnan muna namin sa mekaniko ba yung mga nag-ano ba ng mga sasakyan ba nag-check kung okay lang yung nag-check din ng sasakyan na ito. Pero hindi yung pinuntahan namin last time na yung close, di ba nagpunta kami doon ni Mr. Hindi yun siya. Yung ano yun, yung isa naman na nag-check din ng sasakyan ito pag magpaano si Mr. MOT. Ganon. Yun. Paano muna namin, papacheck muna namin siya bago anuhin ni Mr. Gamitin talaga namin ba? Driver ni Mr. Ako hindi pa man ako marunong mag-drive. Yeah, Mr. lang muna. Mga bata excited na din. The Alina is keep asking me when we gonna I want the car, the new one.
Oh.
I said not yet.
No.
Tapos pa-insured pa din namin yun. Insurance. Kasi hindi ka pwede mag-drive na walang insurance dahil no. You cannot drive around without
Yeah, well, I want to make sure it's running right first before I insure it.
Yeah. Kaya papacheck niya muna. Kasi hindi pa available yung ano yung ano ba? Yung mekaniko nga. Mekaniko bang tawag nito? Nag-ano ng sasakyan. In 2 weeks pa daw available. Pero nung ano pa yun? Last week yata yung tinawagan ni Mr.